Epela Ezika na ize.
Just simple type. We don't lie, we say we don't lie. My name is Little Star. Simple type Little Star Waiter. Here YouTube and you will see us. Yes, good day everybody, good day. The greatest in the house. My name is Little Star. To locate us via YouTube, simple type Little Star Greater and you will see me. Chakra. So thank you. Now the lesson starts and we are going to start from the tap root. That's how we move. We start from the bottom, then we begin the move. Right now, I want to start with explanation. So, this is the fretboard. That is where everything is happening. Fretboard. This is the board. So, and this is strings. First string, second string, third string, fourth string, fifth string, and sixth string. As you see, it is 6 in number. That is from first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. That is how the string is. Right now, you start. Like I said, all these strings have name. This is E string, D string, G string, D string, A string, and B string. I'm going to show you the key. For all these beta have a key. And for you to play a song, you must locate the key the singer is using before you play any song. Not when the singer is singing on key F, you begin to play on key G. You know, go relate. So try to understand this one now. Starting, we have this first one now. We call it C, key C. I hope you are seeing it very well. We call it key C. This. And if you want to find key, make sure you use this middle finger. And you have to understand, note, these four fingers has name. This one, we call it pinky. Pinky, that's the smallest finger. We call it pinky. And this second one now, we call it ring finger. As you can see now, ring finger. My ring is on it. So we call it a ring finger. This one is middle finger. As you can see now, it is on the middle. So this is middle finger. This one is index finger. Bear it in mind. Know all these fingers and know how they work and know their names. Immediately you know their names, you will be moving. So as you are seeing now, to locate the key, you use your middle finger to find the key. Concentrate on this second string now. This second string, this G string. So take it. To find a song, to find the key of a song, you strike it like this. So if the singer is singing on key F, then immediately you reach here, then that is key F. So this is now key F. If the singer is singing, then we do. So this is on key F now. So to find the key, like I tell you, this is C, C sharp, D, this is E flat, and this is E, this is F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, and back to C again. Here is the same thing as here. This point now, these 2 points demarcate this one, demarcate this octave. This one is from here down here. We call it octave. We call it octave. So the same thing play here. same thing I play here. So the same thing. The key start from here, end here. The key start from here, end here, and another one starts. If you want count now, you can say C, C sharp, D, D. The counts they go. So get it in mind. Like I say, C, C sharp, D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, or B flat, B, then back to C. So now, this F now is my favorite. This is my favorite key on F, playing on F. That is my favorite. So, I used to play here because I feel relaxed whenever I'm here. So, starting, like I told you before, this we call frets. This is board. Fretboard. So, and this is bridge. This thing bridge. See as it's bridged. So, mind you, this is your forefinger now. You just be on taking its position. This one, take. You see it. As you find your key like this, as you find your key to F, like this is F now. Then you place your hand. Then this pinky will be playing here. We call it division of labor. They shade it in, they shade the frets. This one choose, this one choose, this one choose, this one choose. As it is, my hand is 4 now. This fret they are landed is also 4. So you just this one now. Note this. This one now cannot come here and play. Why this one is here? So this one also cannot come here and play. As your hand is 4. Note this. This is very important so that you will not suffer yourself. Just feel relaxed. Feel relaxed. No, like here, I'm going to play the suffer notation. That is my purpose of coming here today, to teach you the suffer notation. That is the primary level of being a guitarist. After teaching you this, you will understand it very well. Simple, cool down, and learn this. Starting. This is on key F, like I told you before. So this pinky, this smallest finger, just know the location. As you place your hand like this, just know. In this 5th string, you play. See my plectron. Then you see. Then you come into this 4th string now. Re, mi, fa. That is three positions. Just only for this 4th string. Re, mi, fa. But for this one, for this 5th string now, just only do, and you leave it. Re, mi, fa, re. You jump this one. Mi, fa. Mi and fa is close, but do. You jump this one. Fa, do, re, mi, fa. Then come down to this 10th string. So, la, so, la, so. You jump this one. La, so, la. Coming to this 2nd string. This is B string. Ti, do, ti, do, ti, do. Again. In this string, this is your 5th string. Just pick one. With this your pinky. This is what we call pinky. Like I told you before, like I'm telling you now, this is what called pinky. This one is called ring finger. As you're seeing ring on it, this one is called middle finger. Middle. As you see it is on middle. This one is index finger, and this one, it doesn't use this one to play. You can't use this. This one is at this back. Just at this back. You hold it at this back now. Then hold it tight. If you don't hold it tight, no go play. You go play. And make sure your hand is on position. If your hand is not on this middle, just if your hand is not see on this bridge, my hand is not on middle. Just watch this, my small finger. This is my pinky. It is on middle. You can't do this. If you do this, you no go sound. Just come here and do. Don't do this. If you do like this, this thing no go sound. You can't do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Just
make sure your hand is on position. Don't do me this. I'll be telling you. Don't bring your hand on this top of this. Just make sure your hand is on the middle to give you the sound you need. If you do like this, it will be cracking like this. You see, it will be cracking. Just place your hand. I remind you, take this one. Everything used to take its position. This one cannot come here and play while this one is here. So this one is here. This one control everything in this fret now. As you can see, this one cannot come here. They fight with this middle finger. While in position is here. Just just cool down, and understand this tip. I play again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I did on key F doing this. I start again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I hope you are seeing my playthrough, how I strum it. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I hope we take it like this for today. Just be following me with Little Star Waiter. Be following me. I'll just growing you like that agriculture used to grow maize. I'll grow you up. You will germinate in a blinking of an eye. Your mates, as I tell you before, will be surprised where this guy is coming from. Tell them that you're from Little Star Waiter via YouTube. Thank you, and that's how it is today. Another day, be with me. May God bless you as you're following. Thank you.